And here we go as our first crew of the day comes in on approach on the dock, but I honestly hate seeing this. I really wish there was some way they could just make this illegal. Carrying balloons on a boat is never a good sign. You know darn well at some point in time, Cap's gonna open this boat up, they're gonna be doing 30 miles an hour, and these darn balloons are going flying off the boat straight into the darn water. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. So Cap is trying to bring them on approach to the dock, and the crew's kind of trying to walk across the front of the boat. I'm wondering if these balloons will even survive this dock trip at this point, as everybody's trying to walk around them. So they're over there trying to get on. I'm wondering if they're just picking one or two people up and that's it, since the boat's already kind of loaded down. And that's what it looks like the case is, as we've got everybody walking back toward the back again, and Captain's pulling right back off. But here we go, we got our guy, he's ducking under, he just dropped something, it looks like. Did he lose it? I can't tell. I saw something fall for sure, I'm just not sure what it was. And she goes under the balloons, and our other young lady who was walking around the other side has decided to come back and walk this gunnel as well. And let's see, it looks like they might make it out of here, balloons intact, but I'm telling you now, they're not coming back with all those balloons on the boat, which is just a sad, sad thing. And she's gonna duck under and get in, and they're gonna get on out of here. And here comes our next crew in on approach. Cap goes ahead, makes his turn, picks his line, and it appears we are going for dock number 2. And we've got our guy on the rear swim deck. Hopefully he hangs on. So Cap brake checks it, the stern's gonna kick out on him, and he goes for the grab. Nobody else in this boat's even moving, nor even bothering to offer to help or anything. And Cap's gonna be the only one to do all the work. So he's trying to pull it up, and still not one person moves. Cap's gotta watch out, he's backing down because there's somebody backing in as well. Well, I mean, he's not that close to him, I guess. He's gonna bring it onto the dock. Now he's gonna go for the dock in the opposite direction. And then, of course, we've got the kids fishing down here as well. So Cap's line's on the wrong side, as he was not anticipating to go onto the dock facing this way. But this is how it's going to work out when nobody wants to help out, and Cap's going to just hold it here on his own, while the rest of this crew enjoys the rest of their time on the boat. So unlike our last crew, it looks like Cap's going to get a little assist on this one, as he's got Wifey in the bow, getting the lines ready. So he won't be on his own, but for some reason he's got this motor really trimmed up. He just trimmed it up a little more for some reason. Gonna lose some of that prop bite as he approaches the dock with it trimmed this high. So trying to turn back in, it looks like he's trying to go for one. He's gonna miss. Now the prop's completely out of the water as he goes into reverse, but trims the motor all the way up. So he's brought it back in. I'm gonna have to try and line this one up again. But I mean, he completely missed it on that first approach. Best thing he can do here, he's so close, he needs to back straight out, and it'll give him a straight run in on the dock. Instead, he's choosing to go for the turn method, and this one never really fares well. So much easier if you just back yourself completely straight up, and then you would have a straight run at it. But here, he's gonna have to try and turn his way in, which is a little more difficult, as we can see already, as he's struggling to try and get over there. So it appears the wind and current obviously is wanting to go right to left across the screen, one of the reasons he missed, but there's several open docks, so I'm not sure why he's not moving down to one of the other ones. And he's trimming up on the motor again. Again, just makes it more difficult as you lose a little control when you do that. So he's drifting away from the dock. You've got to bring it back around, my good sir. as they're backing down. I mean, he might get the stern close enough. If he brings Wifey to the back, she can move a line back there and possibly toss it over one of the poles. So he trims up again, and now we are way off the dock. So he's not really doing anything either. He's just kind of staring, like pointing, but that's not going to get you there, bro. A little forward gear, bring that bow in, let Wifey get up there, get the pole wrapped for you, and you'll be good to roll. Instead, he's choosing to just chill. I guess thinking that, I'm not sure what the discussion is here. We're so close, there shouldn't be a whole lot of planning at this point. The planning part's out the window. It's time to get on the dock. So there we go, he goes into forward gear, and she's going to walk it up, and there we go, get the line on the pole, and our crew should be good to roll. So our guy's got 6 skis down here, gonna try and load them up. He's going with the 1-foot carry method, but I wonder how this one's gonna work. He's not gonna be able to power that up onto the trailer like that, as you'd be carrying 1,000 pounds up the trailer. So he's gonna line them up. I mean, traditionally what we'll see him do is they'll get them lined up and get it a little bit on, and he'll power this one on and then jump over to the other one, turn it on, and power it up. So trying to get them lined up, kicks the foot on, trying to push that one up. Now he's backing off. That's a new one. Oh my gosh, he's gonna push it up with the front of this ski. All the years we've been down here, this is a different method of trying to load these jet ski trailers than I've ever seen. I wonder how much damage the back of these skis have from them loading them like that, as he's just gonna push it up with the bow of the other ski. Seems like it's almost a little easier, probably just to do like we originally mentioned, to jump on one, power it on, and then jump on the other and power it on. But that's a new one to me. And here we go, we've got our crew running down, trying to back this one down on 4. This is actually their 3rd attempt at trying to bring this one back down here. And let's see how they do this time. But I can tell already, he's going the wrong direction. They are starting off heading the wrong way as the boat is pushing off the dock as he's trying to bring it back down. And he's got to get this one there. I mean, there's nobody even over here with lines. His crew is standing on the other side of the truck as he's trying to get this one up. And there you go. He's going to pull it forward again. And try to back it down one more time. So at least this time he's got a straight start, which is going to help compared to how he started in the past several tries. And now we're going to turn the right direction, get this one heading back toward the dock, and get it dropped close enough where they can grab it, and they should be good to roll from there. And speaking of good to roll, we're going to go ahead and roll out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We've got Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.